Today, I'm going to be talking about why knowing your purpose is important. Let me start with an analogy. Knowing your purpose is like having a GPS in your car or your vehicle. Why? Because just like how GPS guides you with the best possible direction to reach your destination, your purpose is the inner guidance that you derive from within to reach your destination. Right? So you might question me. We didn't have GPS 15 to 20 years back. We were still driving our vehicles and reaching our destination. Right? Yeah, that may be true to an extent. But the time that it was taking for you to reach your destination was pretty long. There were many incorrect routes that you would have taken to finally reach the location. Or there may be instances wherein you wouldn't have been in a position to identify the location, and there may be instances that you would have driven back home without even reaching your destination. Right? But with GPS, you exactly know where you want to go and how you have to reach your destination, because it provides you all the routes to reach your destination in the right way. Similarly, our purpose is the mechanism, our purpose is the guidance system that helps you to derive where you want to go. What is your destination? Right? Majority of people have no idea what I am talking about. What is purpose? They might be laughing as to what exactly I am talking about. They wouldn't have any idea as to what exactly I am talking about. They would be like a piece of wood who are kind of floating in the river according to the direction of how exactly the river flows. They have no control or grip on their lives. These people who don't even know what is the meaning of purpose and why do we need purpose are like, those people who blame the circumstances, blame the external situations for their conditions, and take life casually as the day comes and manage things as the day comes. And ultimately, finally blame everybody around them for their negative circumstances or situations. That's what happens because they don't know where they want to go. Today they are here in Bangalore. Tomorrow they want to go to Chennai. They reach Mangalore or Mumbai or Delhi and then come back to Mangalore. They keep traveling all around the world. They keep traveling and traveling and traveling without any proper destination. How would you feel if you are supposed to be traveling to office and come back home using the same route every day? It gets monotonous, right? Life is supposed to be an adventure wherein you try different routes and enjoy different, roads towards reaching your destination. If you travel using the same route every day, it gets monotonous, and you ultimately traveling the same route will leave you without any motivation for yourself. That's what is happening to majority of people. Purpose is what ignites the enthusiasm, ignites the interest in everybody. And that's exactly the reason we need to understand what our purpose is. Why exactly are we here on this earth? What is the reason for us to be here? Everybody are given different talents and strengths. If you are given some talents and strength, that means you are here to contribute something to this earth. I strongly believe that children have to be taught about this if they are not taught about anything else or not. This ideology is something that they have to definitely know, because I strongly believe if we start this at an early age, they will be able to have a better control and better grip over their life, because they would know where exactly they want to go, what exactly is their destination. The journey might change, the paths might change, but they know their destination. So, tomorrow, if your children don't score well in any of the subjects, that wouldn't determine anything. But you should really worry if they don't know what is their purpose, where exactly they want to go. Right? So, start with purpose.